And Jitin Prasad's exit dominated political discourse even today. But is Congress's loss actually BJP's gain at all? With the UP elections just about 6 months away, what exactly does Jitin Prasad bring to the table? He lost his last 3 elections after all. BJP insiders believe that Prasada will help override what some of the anti-Brahmin sentiment against Yogi Adityanath government seems to be. But Alok Pandey's next story explores, is that really the case?
As UP Chief Minister Adityanath heads to the capital and the BJP attempts damage control in Uttar Pradesh, a point of contention has been the Brahman Thakur equation in the BJP, especially after 4 years of Adityanath's rule. The UP government is battling a perception of being anti-Brahmin. Mr. Adityanath belongs to the Thakur community. Jitin Prasad's entry into the BJP is not without context. A deluge of wishes by UP BJP leaders for the latest Brahmin import. Mr. Prasad has been active in raising issues for the state's Brahmin community, a community estimated to be a sizable 10% of the state's population, a big vote bank. Thakurs, the other major power center in the state, are around 8%.
ब्राह्मण चेतना परिषद का मैं संरक्षक हूँ, चला उसे कोई और रहे। और अब मैं समझता हूँ जहाँ मैं हूँ, मैं और मजबूती से जहाँ अन्याय हो रहा है और किसी समाज का, सिर्फ एक समाज की बात नहीं, मजबूती से उनके साथ खड़ा होकर उनके न्याय और उनके अधिकारों की लड़ाई लड़ सकता हूँ।
While the BJP maintains an anti-Brahmin sentiment is opposition propaganda, balancing caste equations is playing heavily on the party's mind. An attempt could be made to present a Brahmin Thakur united front ahead of the 2022 assembly polls.
I was listening to your commentary, but I would like to bust this theory of caste politics that you were trying to enunciate. Because you see the elections, Lok Sabha elections of 2014, 2019 and the Vidhan Sabha of 2017 in UP and the country have clearly busted this theory. It really negates the theory of caste polarization.
This is all Prasadaram politics. Means you want to fight elections not on the basis of your convictions towards an ideology, but your conviction that I might get something personally.
Sources in the BJP say that Jitin Prasad's induction into the party may not be as much about consolidating Brahmin votes in Uttar Pradesh as it is about showing the Gandhi family in poor light, because Mr. Prasad was extremely close to Rahul Gandhi.
Party sources also say there are already many tall Brahmin leaders, both homegrown and imported, in the UP BJP. One recent example, Law Minister Brajesh Pathak, once very close to BSP Chief Mayawati, whose letter this April to his own government's officials criticizing COVID arrangements had exposed the Adityanath government's big claims on COVID control. As Adityanath and Narendra Modi meet in New Delhi and iron out the party's internal differences, managing caste dynamics in India's most populous state ahead of elections is a definite priority. With Saurabh Shukla, Sunil Prabhu and Sanket Upadhyay, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.